Guys, sometimes you're going to feel like you're not doing the right thing, but actually, you are doing the right thing. Me making these videos is not to just show cars only, but I want to motivate you, I want to inspire you to continue to do the good that you were meant to do. And I believe that you can achieve anything in life.
Boy, you're done well.
This is a black sapphire. You have your very intimidating BMW kidney grille, active vents. So these will automatically open and close for better air intake, fuel efficiency, aerodynamics, full LED headlights, fog lamps, full blown M package as you can see, which is a top tier body kit that we offer here. 360 sensors. These are the top of the line 22-inch BMW rims, M brake calipers, M badging on the side. Now walk away from the car. Automatically lock as long as it keeps on one person. And when I approach the unit, it will automatically unlock. You have your rear sensors, dual exhaust, full LED tail lights, spoilers up top. I have my kick release trunk. Tremendous amount of cargo space. I will get that specification to you soon. And can fold my second row forward for extra space if needed. Spare tire kit. All my wheels are run flat, so just in case I get a puncture, still travel for a little over 80 kilometers on said flat tire. I also have a 12-volt charging port here, grocery hook here, privacy shade to both conceal and keep my valuables cool when I'm done. Now, where second row is concerned, what you're seeing is a Takora red premium double stitch leather extending all the way through the entire cabin. It's perforated, hence the holes in the seats, especially at places where you get burns like your back, your bum, etc. Full ambient lights extending all the way through. Quad zone climate control, so rear passenger A and B don't share the same temperature. Alright. Full panoramic sunroof for everyone to enjoy. Isofix for your car seats, 4 cup holders, and of course your full curtain airbags for safety. So it's rain sensors, digital cluster gauge, full touchscreen interface, dual climate control, powered seats with memory. Can open my trunk from here, can also close my trunk from here. My convenience. Right. The first feature I'm going to show you is your reverse assist. So it's going to take me back exactly how I drove forward. It's open. But you don't see the cone. I have to take my foot off the brake. And that's gas. Okay, it stops itself. Now that should be too short. Intrigue. When it's done, it puts it in 5, pulls up the emergency brake, all of that. That click is your auto lock for safety. Once you reach past a certain speed, all your doors will automatically lock. Gives me everything I need to play Autobahn. Heat it up, press yes, good to go. Hey BMW, I'm cold.
No problem, I will increase the temperature. It will be warmer shortly.
Hey BMW. Hey BMW. Turn temperature to 20 degrees.
Alright, I set the temperature in the driver's area on 20 degrees Celsius.
Hey BMW. Decrease the passenger's fan speed.
I set the air distribution at the driver's seat to all body areas.
Another example. Hey BMW. Turn light to green.
Selected the light color green with contouring in green.
And you want to check your tire pressure. Hey BMW. Hey BMW. Tire pressure.
The current pressure is alright for all tires.
So from here, if I want, I let the X6 drive me at whatever speed I set on my steering while I steer. Hey BMW, I'm bored.
I can't imagine that you're bored. Maybe you haven't yet had the chance to try sport mode.
So good idea. Put it in sport now. You're going to see.
Okay.
So, first test, suspension test. That dip down there, not going to brake for it. So when it sits on the road. Ready? Take my foot off the brake. This is all the whole feature. So I don't want to. Yeah. It's quite convenient. Right?
So you don't have to really like tell it to do that, just as a mindset.
That's what it detects once you stop.
That's correct. And when you buy it brand new, which you should always, because this is our all-wheel drive. Then I'm going to give you a comfort test from which you're off a road. And going downhill is really about handling. Alright? want your comfort test, or you put it in comfort now. That's a taste of the traction control.
yeah.
You can throw the car all about, it will remain stable. It's one of the most confident driving experiences. Safety is key, right? And acceleration regarding the torque, it's not a slow car at all. This is your comfort test. So this road isn't as smooth as that one.
That's true.
I'm going to see how it handles this type of terrain.
This have the off-road capabilities as well, right?
We don't really off-road on X6, but
Oh.
If you want to go that route.
if you want to.
Is the adaptive suspension system the same like the xdrive?
Yes.
Nice.
So to give you an example, you're in comfort right now, you're feeling this, to put you back in sport. I'll tell you if there's a difference.
Oh yes, it's more like stable.
Oh, you see, you feel a lot more bump.
Yeah.
It's very more aggressive.
Right.
So as soon as I tap the gas, it's just ready to go.
I say the
Fuel, on average, you're getting 39 to the gallon. Put you back in comfort, so it's once I get 10 minute difference.
yeah,
Yeah.
definitely, I get it.
So comfort, it's not slow, but it's lazy.
Okay.
It's smooth. So going down here is handling. So at this point in time, we're in manual mode. This is where you see how well it goes in corners. So this is more steering, responsiveness, on the road, stuff like that.
It's set into high compression when you negotiate that the car now, or is it that you initiate something, you press something?
I'm changing the gears. If
Okay,
you watch my
okay.
left hand.
Okay.
Oh yeah, because they can't really do that on the further strip.
Oh,
No, you can. I just prefer
okay. Oh, okay.
gear shift.
Yo, those pops. That's good. You don't know why everyone wants on the X6. Every time I'm like, what is about the X6? But no,
Yeah, man.
it's amazing.
And that is the end of my presentation.
For the road.
So you went to
Aggressive driver like this.
I'm just selling the car.
It seems like you're you just drag racing or something.
Not at all.
Oh.
Alright, watch out, please.
This definitely feel like
Yeah.
yeah, man, I feel comfortable, I feel tall.
Yeah.
It reminds me of my 4 liter I used to have. And you feel the power, regardless you're going up here.
Oh, yeah, it's ready.
Yes, ready. Right.
It's more like
Yeah,
get
yeah.
full compression.
Compression.
No, it don't change.
Change, yeah.
Yeah, you hold
Maximum
it
torque.
long. Like a lot longer.
You're going to. Alright. So this is the same sequence. So now is your comfort test, yeah? I put you in comfort now.
fully pumper now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in
Is it?
there.
Oh.
Yeah. Also has a 2 more drive modes. Eco will hold back the performance of the car purposely to reserve fuel, and adaptive is really nice because, as a matter of fact, it's a favorite amongst customers. Based on your driving style, it will automatically pick one of the 3 for you.
Oh yeah. But like something faster in terms of you want it to be in a different mode first, they can get the M version. Where you have the M1 and the M2 panels at the front of the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like if you don't want to press, you don't have the time to press the button down there, you can just have your hand on the steering still and still put it in the mode that you want.
Yep. Right. Right.
Oh. The feel of the car actually, you don't even realize how bad the road is. Exactly.
Polishes the bumps.
Exactly.
So do you see yourself driving this car? Or owning this car?
Yep.
Nice.
I can get it move. You laugh. I laugh, Dorian. The experience.
Like if it would go be anywhere else.
Listen, the technology is good. It feels.
The style,
Yeah.
the comfort, the features, the performance, the safety.
Yes.
The package you're going to go right? Left side? Yeah. Now I'm going to put you in sport. This is your handling test.
Oh, it's aggressive. So when you press the gas, you have to.
It's
You're right.
It doesn't ask you, you sure?
Yeah, exactly. Once you press it, it just go.
Yeah.
And come back just for driving.
Absolutely.
Just for driving.
And it's fun,
Yeah, I mean,
even though I'm not the one.
I actually like what's going on.
that is the feeling I'm having right now.
Yeah.
The car feels super comfortable and fun.
I have to go somewhere, I'm like, that's a inconvenience, that's a bother. Got the Mini, I'm like, yeah, I don't mind. Let's do it. So my Mini has the same engine as the one we test drove.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I thought minis were slow.
Oh,
Mini is BMW.
Oh,
So BMW owns Mini. And
so-
all the parts in the Mini are BMW parts.
okay.
Same suspension,
Unfortunately,
steering,
the vehicle
right? Engine, brakes, everything. That's why if you look on any BMW dealership worldwide,
Yeah.
Mini is right there as well. We're married. It's actually 3 under the umbrella. It's Rolls-Royce,
yeah.
BMW, Mini.
That's good. I didn't
Yeah.
know that. So guys know you know.
Oh yeah, man. Mini, I don't play car. The same power in any BMW is the same power in the Mini.
That's dope.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, just for the sound of this car, I literally buy 2. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video. I remember always making next move your best move. I made the rest of your life the best of your life. Peace.